Meaning of fixture.
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 Fixture. The term fixture has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it can refer to a piece of equipment or device used to hold or support an object in place during a process or operation. Fixtures can be found in many industries, including manufacturing, construction, and sports. They are often designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, safety, or convenience. Examples of fixtures include jigs, clamps, templates, scaffolds, and even sports schedules. In summary, a fixture is a tool or apparatus that enables a task to be completed more effectively or efficiently.